Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to unlink Facebook account with BLEACH Sold Resonance. If you want to remove your Facebook account connected with BLEACH Sold Resonance, then the process is quite easy. Launch open BLEACH Sold Resonance game on your device, and once you're inside the lobby screen, go to the upper right corner and tap on the menu button. Once you open up the menu button, click on the gear button on the right and this will open up settings. After you open up the settings menu, go ahead and click on the other button on the left, and under login info, click on user center. Now select link account, and if you have recently connected with Facebook, you can simply tap on the unlink button right next to Facebook if you want to remove it. Now click on confirm and you have successfully unlinked BLEACH Sold Resonance with Facebook. So there you have it. That is how you can easily unlink your Facebook account with BLEACH Sold Resonance. If you want to save your progress, then I would recommend not to do that. And there you go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.